Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be diving into and talking about why I don't make the Redbubble Trends YouTube Shorts video as I used to make back like 3-4 weeks back. I've been doing it for really a long time. I think I've been doing it for 3 to 4 months, maybe 6 months. I don't really exactly remember that, and why I stopped doing that from few weeks. I'm going to be talking about that thing and also talking about the trends regarding the print on demand. Is it really worth it or it's not worth it? So all those things I'm going to be covering in this video. So let's dive in. Before we go, consider clicking the like button guys. Really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so you'll be getting notified about it. Also, you can check out the free resources. The link is in description box below to help you make more money, or simply you could head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section. We're going to start with exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. The link is in description box below. It's 100% free. You can subscribe to it. Once we get started with that, we will going to send you each and every week exclusive content regarding making money online in your email inbox. So consider subscribing. It's 100% free. The link is in description box below. And if you might change your mind later on, you could unsubscribe whenever you feel like. Okay, let's talk about why I stopped making these Redbubble trend videos, because I think I want to answer this thing in a few parameters. Because one thing I want to tell you guys, when I started with this YouTube shorts, like publishing YouTube short, that was a new feature at that time on the YouTube, like, and many people were trying it, and I also want to try it. I tried it very bunch. Like, I tried it in a very bunch of the ways. I also did with the Redbubble trend videos and some other idea videos and a lot more of those videos I was doing on my channel. Due to that, some of that Redbubble trend videos, and also due to the other YouTube shorts videos, I gained subscribers and views and all those kind of stuff. But recently I realized that trends are not serving the way they has to, because some of the trends are kind of like a trademark, are kind of like a copyright. Even though I did my research before actually making those YouTube shorts, I did the complete research whether they are in the copyright or trademark or not. Like, I was looking on the internet whether any company has anything related to that particular stuff or not. If they were having it, I wasn't introducing them into my YouTube shorts, and if it is not there, then only I was placing them on a Redbubble trend video. So I did a complete research before making those kind of YouTube shorts videos about the Redbubble trends. But recently I felt like trends are not really worth it. Like, we can't control it, because of course right now they don't have the copyright or trademark issues, but later on, what if that particular company or that particular design idea or trend may be a trademark for some other country? We don't know about it, because finding a trademark is not that easy as it may sound. I think I have already made a video talking about the copyright and trademark. If you haven't checked it so far, I'm going to leave that in the card section below. In that video, I talk about what is trademark, what is copyright, and how to find it out, how to check it out. Now, I tell some of the tools, some of the ways to find it out in that video, but most of the times you see that one of the trademark that is there in the United States is not there in the other parts of the world. Or if it's not there in the United States, it may be there in the Africa, it may be there in the Japan, it may be there in the Korea or China or India, whatever it is, it would be there in the other parts of the world. And most of the times we can't control it. Like, we don't know which part of the world that particular thing is a trademark. And of course we can do our complete research about it. And it really took me a long time to find those kind of Redbubble trends, do a research on a Google to see whether it's trademark or copyright or not, whether it's worth it or not. I did my entire research for that, and then I only make that YouTube shorts videos. But these could be trademark or copyright. I mean, I did my research. I know that I did that, but I can't control much out of it. So that's the one thing I stopped doing that. Another thing, I realized that trends are not really good at all the times. Of course, if you are a newbie, if you are a beginner in this print on demand, and if you're looking for first few sales, then you might can go with the trends and can follow the trends. But as the trend says, it's trend, so it would be there for a few months, maybe few days, and then it goes out of the corner. It's no longer applicable. So the trend would going to go soon, and you will be losing all the sales that you are making from that particular design or idea or whatever it is. So these are the few reasons that I wasn't making that Redbubble trend video. First of the trademark and copyright, although I did my research, but I still kind of like a skeptical that maybe it would be their trademark copyright in some other country, which I don't know about it. Maybe I don't know about it. Like, I did my research, I believe in my worth it, like I did the research, but still something if left out of my research, then it would pay a huge price if someone is going with that particular trend, and I don't want that. I really don't want to give the people the taste of a bad medicine. I really don't want that, so that's why I stopped that. The second thing was, like, trend is not always that good as it may sound. Another thing I realized as being a business owner recently, guys, now of course I am still learning, and I want to learn all throughout my entire life. Like, even if I make the 7-figure in my business, or even if I became a million or a billion or whatever it is, I still want to learn, because that's kind of attitude I have towards my business, towards my life in general. I'm always ready to learn more as much as I can, to grow and mature, to learn from my mistakes. Now, so recently I realized one thing, that guys, if you are going with the trends, you can go with the trends and can follow them and can get the sales and all, but I feel like if you really want to make a good amount of money from your print-on-demand business, in fact, not in your print-on-demand business, whatever business you are starting, whether it's a print-on-demand, whether it's an e-commerce or service-based product, physical product, digital product, whatever it is, you're starting with a company, a brand, like, you want to be recognizable as a brand. And one of the way in which you can be recognizable as a brand, in which you are having some kind of an expertise or some kind of skill in what particular niche or a category. Allow me to explain what I really mean by that. For example, if you're having a Zazzle shop, okay, this is just an example, and you love creating the wedding invitations, so your shop comprises the complete list of the different kinds of templates for the wedding invitations for the people looking for. Of course, you can go with the trends in the wedding invitations. You could go with the evergreen niches as well in the wedding invitations, the designs and all. But sooner or later, the people will going to recognize your shop or your brand or your Zazzle shop as a company or as a brand or as a shop which is specialized in wedding invitations. That means you are placing your expertise in one particular area. That will really going to help you getting the more sales, getting to build a brand in the long term, and also be growing evergreen in your business, and not just kind of like always following the trends and all. Now, there are so many people who go with the trends. They do, like, they follow the one trends for a 1 month, and they quit that, they get the few sales, and then they follow the second trend in the second month and get the sales, and so on and so forth. They do all those kind of stuff, but it's not ultimately leading you to a brand building. You really need to think about that. It's not leading you to a brand building. You really need to have a mindset about building a brand to actually make a serious amount of money, to increase your revenue, to increase your profit, whatever you call it, and to have a name in that particular field as an authority, because you need to have a kind of like an authority in that particular category or niche. So that is the unique thing about a business owner. And if you're always following the trend, if you're always going for the niches or for the categories or the things that are in trending, then you are might missing on this very important topic, that is to have an authority in your niche, in your category, whatever you are pursuing for, or whatever you are really interested in. For example, you can see, guys, this is my channel. It's not about the print on demand. I talk about the creative fabric as well. I talk about the online businesses, the different kinds of art businesses, or the digital based product businesses as well. It's all about helping the creative people to make money online. This channel is all about that. It's not about the print on demand. I'm not completely focusing on print on demand. You can see my playlist of the videos on this channel that it varies a lot. That's what I'm focusing on. I'm building a brand that is recognized as a Globo Arte, which is an art magazine, which is a creative person magazine, which is completely dedicated to helping the creative people, the artists, the designer, or any type of creative people to make money online. So that is the kind of brand we are building currently. We are building an authority in that. Of course, it will going to take some time. It will going to take years or months, whatever it is. I am here for a long run. I'm here for a long run. I'm not here for a shortcut run. So this is the kind of mindset I'm building recently in my business, and that's why I stopped making the Redbubble trend videos. Now you would be thinking, might be some of the people would be taking those trends and following them in their business. I really realize that. I'm sorry if I'm not doing it. I'm not placing that expectation, but if you really want any trends video, do let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna make kind of like a long form of video rather than making that YouTube shorts. I'm gonna make a long form of the video for the trends. If you really want it that kind of trend videos? Do let me know in the comment section below, guys. If you're really serious with building your brand, building and making a money, and it's not your hobby, you really want to make a business around it, then I would highly recommend you to build an authority in whatever niche or category or interest or hobby you want to go for. There are so many ways and you could do it. You could simply go to the Redbubble and search for the different kind of shops. There are so many different kinds of shops. They were having 3,000, 2,000 designs, or maybe more than that in any particular authority or any particular niche. So they are ranking for that particular keyword, especially for that particular niche, and people are going onto that shop to purchase that kind of stuff, and they know that if they want to purchase that kind of stuff, they want to go into that shop and purchase it. So they are building their authority for their Redbubble shop according to it. And that's what my thinking is going recently. And that's what I want to help you guys to go more towards building an authority in your brand, in your business, rather than always pursuing the trends. Hopefully it makes some sense. If it doesn't, do let me know, guys. I'm trying to explain my point over here, but I'm trying my best to do it. Hopefully it will make some sense. If not, do let me know. But I won't be making that weekly Redbubble Trends YouTube shorts because that's no longer serving my audience, and that's no longer is my vision, guys. And I want to serve you the way I'm doing in my business. That's what I'm thinking. Like the way I'm doing it, the way I want to give you guys as well. I'm not selling you any fake thing in my videos. I'm not selling you anything fake or anything stuff or any information which is not relevant, which is not right. I'm telling you all the information based on my own experience and knowledge. That's what my always about the building a brand, because I always want to be an honest and a transparent and authentic to my brand and to the people, to the community, to the audience who are looking forward to watch my videos or looking forward to interact with my content in the anywhere in the online space. I won't be doing Redbubble Trends video any longer, guys, but do you want that? Do let me know in the comment section below. So instead of going with the trends, I would highly recommend you to guys go and build an authority. It will going to take some time. Always remember that it will going to take some time. Be patient, but think of that. What kind of things actually motivate you, actually inspire you, or what kind of niche or category you're really interested in that. For example, you're interested in fishing, then you could make an entire Redbubble shop around the fishing, placing all the designs related to the fishing. Maybe you like the gaming, maybe you like the clubbing, maybe you like the hiking, maybe you like the adventurous sports or cycling or fashion, beauty, makeup, traveling, or art, or whatever it is. What is your interest, your hobby, your passion, whatever it is, you need to make a brand around it, and you need to build an authority in your Redbubble shop, in your Zazzle shop, in your online business, or whatever kind of brand or business you're building. Hopefully this video wasn't that too long, and also it does really make some sense, and I'm able to explain to you guys what's my point of not doing these Redbubble trend videos anymore. And if you want me to cover them, you could very well let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to make a long form of the video instead of the weekly Redbubble trend YouTube shorts videos. And instead of going with the trends, what you could do to build an authority, to build an everlasting brand on that particular platform, or business, or a company, whatever you call it. Hopefully this video sounds useful to you. Do let me know in the comment section below, guys, because your comments really give me a big boost of energy. I really read them. I'm really grateful for those beautiful words that you shared, that you talk to me in the comment section below. I'm so much grateful for that. Thank you so much, guys. I do read your all comments, and I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. So do let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'm really waiting to hear from you in the comment section. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.